All right, so welcome back, crew, and welcome back to the channel. I got another video, guys, and this is going to be a really quick video. I'm up here in midnight right now, riding around, contemplating. There's something serious that we have to talk about, crew. And the first thing of business is that we're going to do a recap on Midnight. You guys know a few weeks ago we did a cold air intake from S&B filters, and we actually installed that, and I am getting a little bit better gas mileage. I wanted to update you guys on how the system was working, and I also want to put out there that I did have, I guess, a small error, not an error, but I wanted to point out in my video, because I didn't actually show it to you guys, is that whenever I did install my S&B cold air intake, my mass airflow sensor, when I put it in, I actually had my the tubing the opposite direction, and it wasn't in the truck when I was putting it in there. So whenever I was working on the tubing, I put the mass airflow sensor in, except it was in backwards. So, but once I hooked everything up, I realized that it was in backwards, and it was a quick fix. It was just two screws. I unbolted and I put it back in, and it was working fine. And I also put that in the description, but I just didn't show you guys that on video, because after I had already videotaped everything, so you guys know how it goes. But anyway, that video is out, and I want you guys to go back. If you have not looked at it, go back and look at that video. It's a very good video. And I will show you guys, right now I've been getting about 15.8, 15.7 miles per gallon. And I believe before we actually installed the S&B cold intake, we was only getting 15.6. So it jumped up to miles per gallon. It's hey, for, like I said, for a big V8 and stuff around town and highway miles, I think that's excellent. So the S&B filter, and it also gave me a little bit more boost. I can tell, even when I first installed it, you guys could tell, you could hear it, that it gave me a little bit more boost. So I'm very happy, very pleased, and there's a lot more room in the engine bay, a lot easier to get to. You can also reach everything and clean it very good. And whenever that filter is dirty, you can actually see through that plexiglass as far as the cold intake box. Very easy to take out and re-clean, because it's a cleanable filter as well. So I'm going to just show you guys right here what I got now. As you see, it is a, it's reading, actually it's reading 15.7 miles per gallon now, but it fluctuates back and forth to 15.7 to 15.8. All right. So now, if you're, put you guys back up here. So if you're trying to, get this fuel cold air intake because you want to, way better gas mileage, it's just not going to happen. I mean, like I said, you're dealing with a big V8 motor and stuff. So, as far as the economy and stuff, it will get you a little bit better gas mileage around town. So like I said, I'm pleased and I'm happy. So I just wanted to share that quick with you guys. But on the serious note, I have kind of came into a dilemma. And it's about YouTube. So, and it's about my channel. So I'm very seriously about growing my channel, and I want to make sure that, these videos that I'm putting out are for everybody. So I've actually talked to several people that's actually do YouTube, that's been doing YouTube for several years in my area and stuff, and I did get some good advice. So I want your guys' input as well, but I just want to let you know, more than likely at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of February, which is only a couple of days. Well, let me see, so actually we got about 2 more weeks before the end of January. What my thinking is that I want to be relatable to a lot of people. I just don't want to try to, I don't want to enable my viewers and stuff, because I know that even like my name, and like I said, my name, and basically what we're talking about is that my YouTube name is Classic Chevy with CJ, all right? And a lot of people know me as a Cigar Man. So right now I got Classic Chevy with CJ, but I don't want people to think that I'm only a channel that talks about Chevrolets, because as you guys know, I do a lot of reviews in the summertime, and I do not discriminate. I love all vehicles. I love Mopars, I love Fords, I love Dodges, I love Chevrolets, I mean Continentals, I mean you name it, I'm going to film it and I'm going to talk about it. So that's my dilemma. My dilemma is that I think I'm narrowing my viewers, and I've talked to several people and they agree that if I want to reach a broad range of people on YouTube and out there, I may need to think about changing my name. And I got a couple of names, which since I deal with a lot of classic cars though that I restore, and I do restore a lot of vehicles and I do a lot of modifications, I'm thinking about naming it to restorations and modifications with CJ. But I will actually shorten that down and it'll be restos and mods with CJ. Or it may be restos and mods with CJ's Garage. All right, so it's going to be one of those two, which I'm pretty sure that's what I've been, rolling around. And I think that'll be a good name for the channel. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and try to put this video out. Today is Tuesday. I will try to put this video out Thursday because I got a video dropping tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So Thursday, I would definitely try to put this video out so you guys can, leave me some comments. And by the end of the month, we can go from there, because like I said, guys, you guys are my crew. We're all together, and like I said, I got 300 plus subs, and we got a very small family right now, and I love to hear your guys' advice on the decision that I'm thinking about making, because I just don't want my channel to be viewed with just with people thinking that, oh well, he's just a Chevrolet channel. No, because hopefully in the near future, I'll be getting some more builds, and I'm not going to just be doing Chevrolet builds, okay? So I just want to put that out there to you guys, and I want your advice. I need your advice to see if I'm doing the right thing, because I know that some Dodge people probably won't even go to a Chevrolet channel, and same for Chevrolet people, and same for Fords, people that like Fords. And like I said, I love all kinds of vehicles and sedans and trucks, guys. You guys know, if you know me personally, you know that I love any type of vehicle, man. Especially, I don't really care too much for the newer vehicles, but I love the new Mopars. I love the new Corvettes. And I love the new Chevrolets and stuff. But just like any, the regular day sedans and stuff, I'm really an old school guy, and I love my old school vehicles and trucks. So that's what I want to come into this channel and talk to you guys about today. I'm in a dilemma, but I think I'm heading in the right direction, and I just need your guys' support, and I just want to get your guys' input on the decision that I will be making. So a few of my I got several videos already up that I've already done, and of course they're based on Classic Chevy with CJ. But I'm sure I can probably change a few of those as well, or I'm sure you guys won't mind. So that's my dilemma, and that's what we're going to do, guys. I think that's the direction that we're going to be heading in. So Dylan, starting February 1st, look for a change of my YouTube channel name. It'll still be the same content, but basically it's just going to, I think, broaden my horizon a lot, and it's going to be basically what we're doing now every day. It's not going to change what we do or whatever, or what type of vehicles we do. You guys know I do a lot of interviews, I do a lot of car shows, and I do modifications. So that's where we're going, and majority of it is my builds. So it's going to be mods, and I'm sorry, it's going to be named probably Restos and Mods with CJ, or Restos and Mods with CJ's Garage. Okay, so anyway, tell me what you think, guys. Please leave some comments down below, and let me know if I'm heading in the right direction. I need your guys' input. So hey, I want to thank you for hanging out with me today, and like I said, hopefully I also explained to you about the mass airflow sensor that I did in the S&B the filter change out and stuff, that the coat air intake change out we did. That was a very fun video. And like I said, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it, guys. So, hey, I'm going to cut you guys short here. This is going to be the end of this video. And I hope I explained to you guys the near future, the direction that we're heading. So thanks a lot, guys. And like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.